Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Tips for Longevity. Today video is very special because I am going to explain you about a plant, its medicinal properties and a very special preparation on how to preserve the fruits of it for long period of time. So watch the video till the end. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, subscribe us and don't forget to click the bell icon for instant notifications. This is the plant I told you. I think you all can recognize the plant easily. It is called Bilimbi in English and Bilin in Sinhala. This is a small attractive tree 5 to 10 meters tall. This plant is widely cultivated. Fruits are attached to the tree trunk. Fruits are small with cylindrical, elliptical shape. It is around 4 to 10 centimeters long. Fruit is green when young and turn into yellowish green when ripe. The fruit is glossy with a thin skin, juicy and very acidic. Seeds are flattened and disc-shaped, small and brown. Leaves are alternate, densely crowded at the top of branches. Flower is bisexual. It is common to see a bilimbi tree trunk full of fruits during fruiting season. The fruit is crunchy when it's unripe. When ripe, the fruit falls on the ground. Once fruit are harvested, it has short shelf life, about 5 days. Its skin is also easily bruised just by handling. Because of these reasons, it is difficult to transport these fruits over long distance. So, it is better to preserve the fruits. Fruits can be preserved by sun drying. Wash the fruits and clean them. Then you have to cut it into small strips like this. The pieces should not be very thick. Then you can dry strips under sun. It will take few days to dry them completely. The strips become shrink after few days. Then you can put it into a container and store it, or you can keep the container in the fridge also. Fruits can be preserved by this method also. Pluck the fruits, then wash and clean them. You need more fruits to prepare this, because after preparing this, it remains in the clay vessel as a small amount. Then take a clean clay cooking vessel like this and 10 tablespoons of salt. Vessel should be big enough to put the fruits into it. Then add salt into the cooking vessel. After that, you can add fruits into it. After adding all the fruits into the vessel, then keep it on the cooker. As this takes about 4 hours to prepare this, it is better to use a wood-fired cooker. After some time, you can see a transparent fluid coming like this. Now you can see color of fruits has changed. After some time, color of all the fruits has changed like this. Now color has changed to brown and fluid level also reduced than previous. Now you can take a spoon and mix it upside down. You have to keep until all the liquid get boiled down or evaporate. Don't forget to mix the mixture and turn it upside down during boil down. Now fluid level is reduced more than half from the vessel. This is very near to final preparation, but small amount of liquid is still remaining. Let it boil down that also. Then let it cool down for few hours. After cool down, store in a glass container and keep it in the fridge. Then you can add small quantity from this mixture when sour taste is needed during preparing meals. Let's see what are the medicinal benefits of this plant. Leaves are used as a treatment for venereal disease. The leaves taken as a medicine to relieve from rectal inflammation. The leaves serves as a paste on itches, swelling, mumps or skin eruptions. It is also used to stop rectal bleeding and alleviate internal hemorrhoids. Fruits seem to be effective against cough and thrush. Fruit is potent for treating beriberi feverishness. It is valuable in alleviating rheumatic pain. And also fruits are rich in protein, fiber, calcium, phosphorus, iron, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin and ascorbic acid. If you have a bilimbi tree at home or if you can find some fruits, you can try the preservation methods I showed you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned with us for more videos.